Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit tags on Shopify. It is a fast and easy tutorial. Tags are essentially labels or keywords that merchants assign to their products. These tags enable easy categorization, filtering, and organization of products in the Shopify backend. By using tags, merchants can create logical groupings of products based on various criteria such as product type, color, size, collection, or any other relevant attribute. So the first step you will need is to open your Shopify, and you will get right here. So let's say we have several products on Shopify and we want to create tags for them. So for this, you will need to click on the product, and after it has opened, these are the products that are available in the Shopify store. In order to change or to add a tag on the product, you will need to open the product first. So I will open this product page for you to see the process and hope you are doing the same on your end. So right here, you will be able to find the tags and you can add the tag you want. You can click on Manage to manage all the tags you have created. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.